Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below, and remember, this is just my personal experience. In this video, we're taking a look at Wells Fargo, specifically their website at wellsfargo.com. Navigating the site, you'll find a wealth of information on their various financial products and services. From personal banking needs like checking and savings accounts, to loans, mortgages, and investment options, Wells Fargo seemingly offers a comprehensive suite of financial tools. Their online platform allows customers to manage their accounts, make transactions, and access important financial information conveniently. The website's design aims for a user-friendly experience, with clear navigation menus and search functionality. However, the sheer breadth of information can sometimes feel overwhelming. Depending on your specific financial needs, finding the right resources might require a bit of exploration. It's worth noting that Wells Fargo has faced scrutiny in recent years regarding certain business practices. While this review focuses primarily on their website functionality, it's important for consumers to be aware of a company's overall reputation. Wells Fargo also provides resources for small businesses and corporate clients, demonstrating their commitment to serving a diverse range of customers. On the site, you'll find sections dedicated to wealth management, investment banking, and other specialized financial services. This reflects their position as a major player in the financial industry. For those new to Wells Fargo, the website offers educational materials and FAQs to help navigate their services. This can be particularly helpful for individuals less familiar with complex financial products. Overall, the Wells Fargo website provides a central hub for managing your finances, exploring various banking options, and accessing important account information. While navigating the extensive range of services might require some effort, the site generally delivers on its promise of providing a comprehensive online banking experience. Remember to do your own research and consider your individual financial needs when choosing any banking institution.